My A1Cs were in 6.1. After 3 months eating the Mastering Diabetes diets, my A1C now is 5.3. I've had type 1 diabetes for over 60 years. In a lot of ways, things were good. I mean, I had been eating a whole foods plant-based diet with no oil, no added sugar, no added salt for 15, 16 years. That worked pretty good. But the problem I was having was I was having insulin insensitivity. And what I didn't know was, I was having peanut butter on crackers for snacks. I was eating all kinds of different nuts, avocado. I didn't know. I should have, but I didn't know that fat can cause insulin insensitivity. It was really a problem. Sometimes I would wake up during the night, my blood sugar would be a little high, and I would need to take a unit or two of insulin. I'd take the insulin and nothing would happen. I'd wake up 2 hours, 3 hours later. If anything, I was even higher blood sugar. It just wasn't working. I got an email from Robbie at Mastering Diabetes, and he was just going to do like a little presentation. I watched his presentation, and I was very impressed with it, and I thought it could really help me. So I signed up, and then I started eating the Mastering Diabetes meals, and I'm going through the whole recorded program that they've put together. And basically 3 or 4 weeks after I started, the insulin was reacting. I mean, I take the insulin and it was working right away. And so that really was the problem. Too much fat was causing the insensitivity. But also, I really liked these meals. I've just switched over completely to Mastering Diabetes meals. All these recipes were really good. I like the Southwest bean salad, the 3-bean chili, the Bombay potatoes, the Ethiopian chickpea stew. It's like tuna fish, except it's made with chickpeas. And it's really, really good. That's another one. I think it's a lentil vegetable soup. They're just really good. The recipes are good. You know everything that you're eating. The more this encourages you to stay home and eat food at home and not go to restaurants, the better. Because it's pretty hard to go to a restaurant and get a low-fat, whole food, plant-based meal that doesn't have too much salt in it, that doesn't have sugar added to it. It's really hard to do that. I was probably surprised that these meals were as good as they are. There's lots of stuff that I like, and there's a whole bunch more I haven't even tried yet. So I'm not worried at all about, getting bored with the meals or anything like that. My main focus is I want to be really healthy. I want my diabetes to be in as good control as possible. And those are my number one priorities. Before Mastering Diabetes, my A1Cs were in 6.1. After 3 months eating the Mastering Diabetes diets, my A1C now is 5.3. The combination of the exercise, the lower A1C, these meals, taking less insulin, all of that is really good and makes me feel good. After working with Mastering Diabetes, I feel a lot better than I was feeling before. And I had insensitivity to insulin, and now I don't have that anymore. And that's because of the meals that I'm eating, the Mastering Diabetes meals. If I was talking to somebody who had type 2 diabetes, I would tell them that it was likely that if they were to go do the Mastering Diabetes program, they would be able to stop having diabetes within 6 months. Because eating these meals, I don't see how that could not happen, because I know about the fact that with a whole food plant-based diet, you can just reverse type 2. So, I would really be recommending to the person if they had type 2. And if they had type 1, I would just tell them all about my experience and that I felt like it was really valuable, because I want my blood sugars to be as normal as possible. I want to, have a really balanced blood sugars. And you can't do that if you're insulin resistant. I don't see how you can do it. have taken more insulin than you really need to take. It's not kicking in when it should. That's why, because I want my blood sugars to be as normal as possible.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.